What's the meaning of bludger? Bludger. Bludger.
Bludger. Bludger. Bludger is a slang term used mainly in Australia and the United Kingdom to describe someone who avoids work and responsibilities while relying on others to support them. It is often used in reference to individuals who are chronically unemployed or who engage in activities that are seen as lazy or unproductive. The term has negative connotations, as it suggests a lack of motivation and a willingness to exploit others for personal gain. In some contexts, bludger may also be used to describe a person who is financially dependent on others, such as a freeloader or moocher. Overall, the term is associated with laziness, dependency, and a lack of ambition.